Okay, I'm not a practice demo jock at this, but I can make this work. I did just fumble through it so that I'm pretty sure I can make it work for you. You can see all the fillets around here, and here's how I'm going to do this. I'm just going to group select a lot of this, and I got one of the wrong faces, so I'll get rid of that. Then I'll hit delete, and so most of those go away. There's some, excuse me, there's some over here that I still have to get. So I'll group select those, delete, group select here, delete, and I can just get this one face and delete that. See if I can get all of these in one go. Okay, I got too many, so I'll just click and click. Okay, I got way too many. Okay, but see, that's a lot faster than just individual clicking stuff. Oh, and I want to show you something else, just while we're here. If I want to click multiple faces, I click one, and then like every other Windows program, you control click your second one, but then for the third one, it's got this plus or minus thing on there, so it's automatically, it's like it's holding down the plus or the control key for you. So you can just go around and just keep selecting without needing to hold down the control. It frees up your other hand for using your spacebar or whatever. So anyway, I've got all those fillets taken off. I'm not sure exactly excuse me, which one it was that was preventing the move, but you can put these back on now in ordered mode. And to switch to ordered mode, you just right click in the Pathfinder, that's Solid Edge for Feature Manager, and you go down Transition to Ordered. So then everything, all the new features you start putting on happen to the synchronous model in order, the same way they do in SolidWorks history-based modeling. Anyway, so now I've got that set up, and let's get this in a good view so we can see everything all at once. Okay, like this. I'm going to click on this boss and then on this arrow and pull the whole thing in that direction. And I can key in a number for relative motion, but in order to bring this to a specific dimension from something else, you'd have to move it and then apply a dimension. But you see what's going on here is that even though this is an imported, I should have mentioned that this is an XT Parasolid model that I brought, that Jason sent me, and it's picking up the concentric relationship with the hole on the other side, and also the conical face of the chamfer on the edge, because I've got this concentric design intent turned on. I could turn on other types of design intent, and if there were other bosses like this that were aligned on the other side or symmetrical like this one, it would move them symmetrically. It would pick all of that up. In any case, I can just pick this up and move it. Now, if I want to place a dimension on that, I can say, I'm again, I haven't used Solid Edge in a long time, but I can go from, say, that edge up there to this edge down here, and depending on the view where I am, it depends on what dimension it's going to give me. So here I'll just place this dimension, and remember we talked about this before, or in another video, the design intent of which side of the dimension is going to change. Well, we want the boss to move, so this is moving, and you should be able to see that the underside, the hole, and the boss from the other side are moving as well. But you could, now I don't know if this is going to work because I haven't tried this. You could conceivably do this. Okay, it's having some trouble, I think, because of this curved edge. But what we're doing is we're driving the outside of the model from the boss, right from the dimension dialog, without having changed, without going in and changing your entire modeling scheme, your parent-child relationships, the feature order, the sketch relationships, blah 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 blah. This is all stuff that you should be able to do. And let's see. Yeah. Well, yeah, it works. It's not set up. It's not set up right, but you get the idea. You can make this dimension go from one side or the other, or symmetrically. To me, that's brilliant. And this is with an imported model, where I did no additional setup aside from deleting some fillet features, or some fillet faces, I should say.